Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on a coin that has been out just recently. It's not a UK based coin, it is actually one from one of the territories, but it celebrates a UK event. I am of course talking about the £1 coin from Gibraltar, which is a round pound still out there, and it celebrates the 150th anniversary of the British Open. On the back, on the reverse, we have the Queen's portrait. Sorry, on the obverse we have the Queen's portrait, along with the date of 2022 and the fact that it is from Gibraltar. It says Elizabeth, Queen of Gibraltar. At the bottom here we have the specifications for the coin. On the front we have the fact that it's the 150th commemorative £1 coin. It's 150th year of the claret jug, which is there inside the zero of the 150, being awarded for the British Golf Championship. It is quite a simple coin to look at. If we can zoom in a little bit on the coin itself. The design itself is the circular area of the coin is dimpled in the background to represent a golf ball. It has 150 years across the centre, and in the centre of the zero, as per the logo underneath, is the claret jug, just there in the centre of the zero. Around the outside it's got £1 at the bottom, and I think it says 150th anniversary around the top. So going at the bottom there it says £1, and then around the outside it's talking about the British Open. This coin is an unusual coin in the fact that it's a round pound as far as Britain's concerned, because we've had the 12-sided pound for quite a while now. However, the territories have a lot of them have yet to change over from the round pound to the 12-sided pound. It's going to be done over the next couple of 3 years, that all the territories will be looking to institute the 12-sided £1. This is a celebration coin, and as such it is one that I wanted in my collection. I saw it, I waited a little while and then decided to pull the trigger and buy one. I'm quite happy to have done so. I can't wait. I'm very glad to have it in my collection. I'm seriously thinking about possibly getting a second coin to add as a possible swap / prize giveaway in the near future. However, I haven't yet decided fully on that. But as I say, I'm very happy to have this coin in my collection and to have it as part of my collection. That ends the review for this coin. Tell me what you think about it. Do you think it's too simplified for what it's representing? Write it down in the comments below. I'll be interested in your views. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins like I have done here, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. And until we meet up again, like, comment and subscribe if you would. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too long into the distant future, from me, ta-ra now, bye bye, ta-ra.